Awesome. Egg waffles are amazing. I know just the place. Now, there's so many different stories about the history of egg waffles. Some people say it got popular because hawkers used damaged eggs to create the batter, while other people say it resembles these tiny little eggs because eggs used to be really expensive back in the day. And then there are some people who think it's simply just Hong Kong's interpretation of European waffles. Whichever one it is, all I know is that it's always delicious and you can literally have it at any time of the day. Hello， 我想嗌一個抹茶朱古力。
OK，冇問題。
唔該晒。Thank you. You can find egg waffles anywhere in Hong Kong, but this place is especially famous for it. They do tons of different flavors, and today I chose the matcha and chocolate. They even do pork floss. You can really taste the matcha and chocolate blended perfectly together. And I love how inside each bubble, it's actually really fluffy with dough. See? What a day! You and I have eaten through breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. We've experienced so much, and I'm really sad it's over. Well, it doesn't have to be. We can always go back and have breakfast again and have a whole new journey. So what do you think? Let's rewind. Do you want to discover the cultural history of Hong Kong's Western-style eateries, also known as Tan Tan Tangs? Or do you want to go have some dim sum and discover rich tradition? Which one is it going to be? Honestly, I wish I could go to both.